Hey everyone. Well, today was an exciting day, but most likely just ranging, no price action, no clear direction, I must say, on the live stream. And I'm at break even, technically at break even. But there's going to be some updates about the daily recap videos because on days like this, I'm not even sure that I want to update. So, I have to think about some other structure, especially for days like this. It puts me into a little bit extra pressure anyways. And yeah, sometimes it's just, I know it's boring, sometimes it's exciting. But all I can tell you that today was, I mean, in the London session, there was a good trade. I exited prematurely, closing the trade manually here, not letting it ride all the way to the take profit. And after that, as usual, after the stream, I scalped away my profits. Not a real good thing, I know that. I was looking for some more entries, but nothing happened. After the futures opened up, live stream, I was hoping that if we, I mean, look at this sideways action all the way, and we had the 15-minute order block down there. I was super convinced that we should be sticking through it, but we didn't. In fact, it went all the way up there, took out the 1-minute order block, and then dropped again. This was a very dirty move from Nasdaq today, and I realized that, well, we all know that trading is hard, but I realized that to trade this one down is just, I mean, the main move was this. If somebody was lucky to catch this one from here, then it's great, but I wasn't. So it was technically a valid entry, although it didn't really sweep liquidity up there, but it was technically an okay entry, but I didn't catch that move. And since then, we're just sideways. We're going into the lunch hour and on New York lunch hour, and I don't see anything relevant. On the 1 hour, it seems like, well, pretty much going into sideways. ES, look at ES. After the market open at 9:30 here. We're just ranging. This is the 5-minute chart. We're pretty much ranging. And yeah, what can we do? But anyway, I just don't want to put more risk on the table here. And that's what I was thinking too, that maybe I should be, you know, narrowing down the daily recaps by not to a daily recap. Maybe I should do a weekly recap about the accounts and how I'm going with funding, because let's face it, it's just maybe too much, and sometimes it could be too boring. So I'm looking to get at least 3 active funded accounts starting up for next month. We have the Bulenox accounts, we have the My Funded Futures account getting there. But maybe this week on Thursday, we might YOLO 1 or 2 accounts with Methodical Man on the stream. I have to think about that. Bulenox still have 90% discount. Apex Trader has an 80% discount. You know, but Bulenox only for the first month. So I might do that. I have to think about it a little bit. But still, this was an interesting day. And I have to think about the daily recap videos because it might be a little uneventful. That's the word I was looking for, uneventful. So if you guys want me to keep continuing the daily recap, I would appreciate if some of you guys would comment about your opinion. Maybe I'm going to write it out to the community tab too. I'm happy to do that for you guys, but it's not all that exciting all the time. Anyway, see you guys in the sessions tomorrow in London and New York. Cheers.